Hello.
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 Hi.
Hi. You're very pretty.
Hello.
Hi. I bet you would like to fly around in this nice day. But there's bigger birds here. Oh. No.
No?
No. The feeding area was back where we
Oh,
stopped.
you can feed them in there too.
Really?
Yeah, they said you could feed them.
Oh.
The birds and then that second one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, well then.
She sold us more in there.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello.
She wants to go.
No, please, not in the face. Hi.
You want your picture taken?
Probably.
Oh, that's creepy.
I'm videotaping this.
Huh?
I'm videotaping this.
Oh. That creepy noise is really creepy.
Yeah. Was that ambience or the other animals? We'll never know.
Oh, we can't let you out.
Sorry. I know.
Oh, are you doing tricks for us?
I'd be like, hello. They have yak. At the petting zoo, they have yak.
Nice.
Or oxen,
pretty
actually.
bird.
Yeah, it is.
They're pretty too.
Yeah.
Are you doing a dance for us? Oh, we see how talented you are. I'm not gonna work.
Your fools don't have any food. They have long tails. If only they had a whole cage like this for iguanas too. Because iguanas are cool to look at, but not to own.
Right. Okay, well, I'm gonna go back to the thing soon.